I just want to do a follow-up video of this rock that looks like a sheep. I didn't really get a good look at the front of the face up here. It's hard to see by these lights, but it actually looks like on the front, it actually looks like the shape of a sheep head on the front there. But like I said, that's the nose right there. A little white speck. It's got a little slice in the middle. And I'll turn it back over, and then you can see the eye. You can see the eye really good right there. And then you got your ear area over here. You can, with these lights, you can really see the ears up there. And of course, you got the coat. And then you've got your legs down here. Those are both legs. But the back part, unless that's a bunch of crap on the back of there, that maybe one of the Indians saw one with a bunch of crap on the back, or that's blood or something back there. I did stick a magnet on it. I couldn't tell what it was. And then when you look at it again, without taking in consideration that that's a sheep face, it looks like a horse because there's an ear. And then you have your eye area right here. And then you got the nose. And then the mouth. So it kind of looks like a horse also to me, with, you know, but taking into consideration when you get a little closer, then it looks like a sheep. But like I said, it's hard to see it on this side. But the head looks just like the shape of a sheep would be. But I just want to do a follow-up video because I've seen other stuff in it after I so even on this side, it looks like some kind of sheep too, because you got your eye right up there, and then the nose on this side, the head, and you really can't see much of an ear on this side. I mean, I see a little indentation right there, but not, you know, the other side is more stands out a lot more. But this is my follow-up video on that. Thanks.